Yo, so I'm at like the Croften meet. Like a little bit, right? Yeah. I was trying to get a picture of it. Yo, son, out of all days, I leave my fucking camera and shit, and there's a bunch of cars and shit here. See, look. See this shit? All this shit. This shit is the worst. Where'd he go? Oh, there you go. Nah. Chair still. It's not our fault. Look at. Come on, big baby. Look at this. Subies lined up. Back to back. I love that shit.
Got it for like a little over $2,000.
I don't know what they're doing.
That shit electric? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god, this guy is funny, dude. Burnout King. Wait on the homie. Oh, that's copyright!
Yeah, that's what he's doing. He's turning.
Oh, he's going back?
I don't know if he's coming back.
Oh, they late as shit. Get the fuck. I'm sorry for driving crazy. You said they're going back to the meet?
I believe he's going back, or he's going, I don't know which.
Funny as shit. Like, keep driving in circles. What the fuck?
Now he's going to McDonald's.
God, him again. Circle man.
Even though the clutch plate is worn just a little bit.
Yo, what's up? Sorry the camera quality, dude. I left my friggin'. I hope I left it in the computer, dude. Cause if not, I fucking lost this shit. Hold up, I think this Impala's. Hey, look. I don't know what the hell I was saying, but I don't know. But yeah, peace out. Treat others how you want to be treated also means behind the wheel, because your life is no more important than anyone else. Peace and I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.